Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I look like a mess. You don't need to comment and tell me, but we have a cake to decorate as well as 24, I just knocked my tripod, 24 cupcakes. Now I made all of these yesterday, so all we have to do is decorate, and I only have 2 hours, so wish me luck. I think both of these are gonna be fairly simple. My only thing is so many of these cupcakes are like lopsided, and I'm thinking of just like chopping off the top. What do we think? Not that you can respond in time for me to do anything, but that's what I'm thinking of doing. Is that reasonable? Anyway, I should maybe let you know that this is a Pokemon / Taylor Swift themed birthday party. So the cake is more Pokemon themed and the cupcakes are Taylor Swift themed. Okay. I have twins. We gotta work with 2 different ideas. It's fine. I'm gonna stop showing my face and just show you guys decorating. Fun. We're gonna have fun.
Hey YouTube people, if you are new to my channel, I just want to make this very clear that I am an amateur baker and I only bake cakes for my kids' birthdays. That's basically the only time I make cakes, and I love doing it. I love making these videos, but I am an amateur and I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm not really asking for advice or anything. I just want to show you that I made a cake so I can feel proud about myself. Okay? That's it. Love you guys.
Just tell me, mama, I'm trying to keep it in sober. Oh, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one.
All right, it would not be a Kaylee baking video if something didn't go wrong. I bought the wrong frosting. I partially think I did my piping tool wrong, but I can't pipe. So I'm deciding what I want to do, because I'm gonna be using other frosting to put a Charmander face on the top of the cake. And I'm thinking I'm just not gonna stress about this and just like put sprinkles on the side or something. Does that sound good?
How about you put sprinkles around the Charmander face?
That's a good idea. I might try drawing on the side for now with this thing.
So,
And if I don't like it, I can just put more frosting over it. Okay, we're gonna do some experimenting.
Mama,
Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. I keep stepping off all times, I'm laughing over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself, thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing by each other's side. I wanna know my true feelings inside. Give me some time. Oh, we'll bring it in a simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make it stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. 'Cause I got my collection.
I am shocked that this worked out as good as it did. Look at it. I did it. I'm shocked.
Oh baby, say it and make it a daily brighter day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. Goes on and on, yeah. Detour 한 개 하얀 벚꽃만 바랬던 날 그랬었길 바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날 너의 문제.
Okay, you can't really see me. We're gonna try something really insane. You ready? Let's do this.